Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to make shake effect on Kinemaster. So with no further ado, let's start. So first is you have to make sure that your Kinemaster application is updated. And if it's updated, you can now proceed to our tutorial. So what you have to do is to open the application. So what we want to do is to have an output like this. So what you want to do is to click on the part of the video and then split it. Let's say I'm gonna split again here, somewhere here. So next is to choose the part that you want to shake. So I'm gonna choose this one. And on the left side you will see 3 dots. Click on that and duplicate as layer. So here you will see it's already duplicated. And so what you have to do is on the left side again you will see a key icon. Click on that and you will see this animation and this plus sign. So what you have to do is to place a plus sign to any part like this. Another plus sign, plus sign, plus sign. The more the dots, the more it shakes. Let's just say you gotta put it like that around here, here, and here. Put something here too. So what you have to do is to click on that and you will see this. So if you want it to shake, you could actually zoom it in and then place it on diagonal line. And here on the animation, you will see this one. Click on this and drag to the other side, diagonal side. Other, next is that one, and then diagonal. Just do this to all dots. Zoom in, another diagonal. Let's just say that and click on the check mark on the upper right and let's check if it will shake. So here you will see it is shaking, and that's it. That's how you make shake effect on Kinemaster. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to keep you updated. Thank you for watching.